Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita Kotak and I'm going to help you do a quick 10 minutes full body stretch to help you start your day beautifully. So let's get started. We're going to sit down in child's pose and we're going to take a nice long deep breath in and nice long deep breath out. Breathing in, breathing out, just connecting to that breath. For the next 10 minutes, you're just going to focus on your breath, your body, and be present in the moment. And then just come on to all fours. Your knees are underneath your hips, your hands are shoulder width apart. We're going to inhale, look up into a cat. Exhale, look down, arching your back, pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. One more time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. We're going to neutralize our spines. We're going to bring our right shoulder to our right hips, so creating a little side C. And then we're going to go over to the left side of our body. Back to the right shoulder to hip and left shoulder to hip. You're going to tuck the toes under, pull your belly button in and just lift those knees up slightly to activate the core, and exhale, lowering it back down. Inhale, lift up, activating the core. Exhaling, lowering it back down. And then this time we're going to tuck the toes under, keep them under, and we're going to just come into downward facing dog. And just take some long deep breaths and walk it out a little bit, left, right, left, right. Bring the heels and toes together. We're going to bend the knees and take the hips over to the right and the feet over to the left. So you're creating a beautiful stretch underneath your armpit and your waist on the left side of your body. Coming back into the center, bending the knees and rotating the hips to the left and the toes to the right. And then back to the center, and we're going to bring our feet hip distance apart. Take a nice big breath in. Nice big breath out. Nice big breath in. Nice big breath out. We're going to lean forward onto our hands, into a plank, bend the knees, and then come back into a downward facing dog. It's like a bit of a wave. Inhaling, coming in. Exhaling, coming back into a downward facing dog. Let's do that one more time. Inhaling, coming in. Exhaling, coming back into a downward facing dog. And just breathe, opening up the back of your body, from the back of your hands to your back, your buttocks, your hamstrings, and even the back of your calves. Lean forward onto your hands, step the left foot forward, right foot forward. Tuck in the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck in the neck. Inhale, reaching up to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. Tuck in the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck in the neck. Frame the hands. Frame the feet with your hands and step the left leg back. Step the right leg back. Now you can come into a high plank and go into a flow, or you can drop your knees down and come into a low push-up, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Adjust your feet and breathe. Nice long deep breaths, feeding your body with your breath. And using this moments of stillness to connect with how your body feels in this moment with your breath. We're going to lean forward onto our hands, step the left foot forward, right foot forward, tuck in the neck, exhale, inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, tuck in the neck, inhale, reach up to the ceiling, exhale, forward bend, tuck the neck in, inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, tuck the neck in. We're going to step the right leg back, left leg back, high plank, tricep push-up, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. And again, breathing in, breathing out. Nice long deep breaths in, nice long deep breaths out. And again, connecting with that breath, making those little tiny adjustments to open up your body. Lean forward onto your hands, step the right foot forward, left foot forward, tucking the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tucking the neck. Inhale, reaching up to the ceiling. We'll do that one more time. Exhale, forward bend. Tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck the neck in. Place both palms on the mat. Step your left leg back. Right leg back. Tricep push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out. Connecting with your body. Lean forward onto your hands. Step the left foot forward. Right foot forward. Tuck in the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck in the neck. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck in the neck. Right leg back. Left leg back. High plank. Tricep push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And then we're going to exhale, bring the knees down, and we're going to melt the heart forward. So your buttocks is up to the ceiling, and you're melting your chest in between your hands. And if you want, you can just rest your chin gently on the mat. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And then coming back onto all fours, tucking the toes under and coming into downward facing dog. We're going to lean forward onto our hands, step the left foot forward and pivot the right foot into a 45-degree angle. We're in a warrior. Breathing in, breathing out. We're reaching forward with our front hand and flipping it over into a reverse warrior. For 3, 2, 1. Placing the elbow onto our knee and lifting the hand up to the ceiling. For 3, 2, 1. And then framing the foot, kicking back into half upward facing dog, downward facing dog. And breathe. We're going to inhale, lift up the right leg and step it forward. Pivot the foot, the left foot into a 45-degree angle into warrior. Reverse the warrior. Reach up, holding it for 3, 2, 1. Elbow on the knee. Bring the hand over your body for 3, 2, 1. Frame the foot and then kick back into downward facing dog. Exhale, bring the hands down and sit into child's pose. For 3, 2, 1. Breathing in and breathing out. You're going to come into sitting. And we're just going to place our hands on the knees and roll our shoulders back. And roll our shoulders forward. We're going to bring our fingertips and interlock our fingers together and just dome in. Stretch the arms forward, opening up the upper back. And then back up. And one more time. Stretching it forward and back up. We're going to bring the hands up to the ceiling. Grab hold of your elbows. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, come down. Keeping both buttocks on the mat. Change sides. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. Breathing in, breathing out. We're going to place the left hand on the right knee. Inhale, lift up to the ceiling. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, lift up. Change sides, right hand. Left hand comes behind you. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, come over. And then back to the center. We're just going to turn our head. Just tiny little circles. Relax the shoulders. And then tiny little circles going up. And then come back to the center. Take a couple of deep breaths. Exhaling for the count of 3, 2, 1. Inhaling for the count of 3, 2, 1. And then just gently open your eyes and just acknowledge your achievements for the last 10 minutes that you focused on yourself. And I thank you for allowing me into your living rooms today. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. And I appreciate you. Have a fantastic day.